The XR Market 150 amp 3-in-1 welder is a versatile machine that combines MIG, TIG, and stick welding capabilities, offering flexibility for a variety of projects. With dual voltage options of 110 volts and 220 volts, this welder can be used almost anywhere, making it incredibly convenient for both indoor and outdoor tasks. Equipped with synergic IGBT inverter technology, this welder automatically adjusts wire feeding speed and welding voltage, making it user-friendly for beginners and experts alike. Safety features such as overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, and overheat protection, along with a high-power fan for heat dissipation, ensure stable and secure operation. Its compact and lightweight design, weighing only 7.5 pounds, makes it easy to transport, perfect for home DIY projects, outdoor maintenance, and hobby work. The package includes various accessories, like a MIG torch, ground clamp, welding rods, and more, allowing users to start welding right out of the box without needing additional purchases.